sometimes we have to come up some ideas when we don't have the material we need it, and then usually if you have a door stopper, probably you buy, it's about like a 2 inch long over here. You can buy it from a Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot, and because I don't have, I ran out of it, and then so I just come up, a small idea, cut a small piece of wood, and put it and then screw on here, and then that would serve actually a door stopper, and then that would preventing getting a hole inside of this wall. Actually, I need to compound a bit more here.